Remove the clamp by pinching the tabs. Pull the hose out enough to get the pliers behind the barb. Hold the hose to prevent it from pushing back into the unit. Remove the stem barb area from the hose using needle nose pliers. Place one tip in the center of the barb, place other between the hose and the barb, then pull and twist to remove. Install the clamp far up on the hose. Install the new stem fitting and then move the clamp over the stem barb area. Place the cable tie behind the clamp but still over the barb. The repair is now complete. If the hose will not pull out, then remove the top cover to make the repair. Remove the filter. Remove the cord and straighten it. Remove the 3/8 bolts near the filter, there are 2 each, note, the bolts are shorter. Remove the 3/8 bolts near the control board, there are 2 each, note, the bolts are longer. Pull up and remove the cover. Locate the clamp and or cable tie on the hose near where the hose exits the unit. Move the clamp further up the hose, about 1 inch. Do not remove the hose from the unit. Pull or push the hose slightly out of the unit to make it easier to work on. Reinstall the top cover. Pull on the cord to make sure it is not pinched in the housing. Start all bolts by hand before securing. Note where all the long and short bolts should go. The repair is now complete.